Hello guys, thank you for checking out this Done For You Authority review. My name is Sheon. So basically Done For You Authority is a new web boot that lets you find high value domain names that are available to be registered for $10 or less. So you can then decide if you want to build a blog on it or a PBN for SEO, or you can decide to flip it for profit. So in this video review, I'll be doing a walkthrough of the software, how it works, and what it does, and if it's worth your money. And remember, there's a timestamp in the description below this video, so you can skip to whatever part you want. And don't forget also, there's a custom-made bonus package for anyone who gets Done For You Authority through the link below this video. So stick with me, and I'll see you on the other side. Before I get into the software, I'd like to do a quick overview of what Done For You Authority is all about. It's a new web boot that lets you find high value domain names that are available right now for $10 or less, and you can sell for massive profit in a matter of days. So this boot lets you find, analyze, and deliver high quality domains to you in just 5 simple steps. All you have to do is log in into your Done For You Authority dashboard, submit your URL, buy domain names, flip your domain names for profit, and rinse and repeat. So that's all about. And don't forget, when you get Done For You Authority, you also get the vendor bonuses. You get one-click Done For You store publishing, Done For You Authority agency rights, expired domains quick start guide, ultimate guide to quick profiting with expired domain names, and a 90-minute training session. And also I've made a custom bonus package, about 13 different custom bonuses for anyone who gets Done For You Authority through the link below this video. So as you can see, the first bonus, domain investing, lazy cash manifesto, rank and rent, dominate Instagram marketing, easy content sites, and many others. So I'll be going through the software in a minute. As you can see, all the bonuses. So I'll be going through the software in a minute, and we'll get back to the bonuses later. So when you log in into your Done For You Authority dashboard, this is what you see. You see the URLs checked, domains checked, and available domains found in the past 7 days. So clicking on domains, here you can see the list of domains that has been searched recently, and that is, you can see the stats, the Moz page authority, domain authority, Moz rank, majestic referring domains, trust flow, citation flow, and trust flow. So here you can see that all these stats are easily customizable. I can decide to remove the dashboard, the referring domain names, or add more here. So I can decide to add the spam score, the links, the majestic referring subnets, and many other details here on the dashboard. So in case I want to click on any of these domain names, and before then, you can see that some of these domain names are not shown. Is because this Done For You Authority system is based on a credit system that allows you to use your credits to view some domain names. They don't want spammers to just come into the software and just steal most of these domain names and crash the software. So you can see I have just 48 coins left, credits left rather. So in case I like any of these domain names, or I can see that it's useful for me, I can just click on add domain to shortlist. Add domain to shortlist. Then I'll click here on shortlist, and I'll see the list of domain names that I've shortlisted. So in case I just want to make a purchase for any of these domain names, I just click here, buy a domain name, and I will be taken to this page right here. So as you can see, this domain name is available for $11.99, which is quite affordable given the stats that it has. So in case I want to search for a domain name, you can just come and use this filter right here, and you can see general, Moz, majestic, social stats, wayback, SEMrush, and Ahrefs. So depending on which one I decide to go with, I might just have to come here and edit. So in case I want a domain name that includes maybe a particular keyword, I can just add this and type it in here. So okay, so in case I want a domain name that's just basically just .com or .net or .org or whatever, I can just come here and click on my preferred domain name TLDs and have it saved here. So in case I want domain names from particular sites like Wikipedia, I can just come here and type it wikipedia.org. So it's going to bring me only domain names that have been found on Wikipedia. And for the Moz, I prefer to go with Moz actually. So for the Moz, you can customize this to your taste, whatever stat you're looking for. So for the page authority, I'll go with a page authority of more than 10. Okay, minimum of 10, and domain authority minimum of 10. So you can decide to go with other features like majestic, but I'm sticking to go with Moz for now. And so you click on apply, and it brings your domains to you. Actually, only 2 domain names were found here, as you can see. So depending on how well you customize your filter, so in case I had other filters, I'll get more. And you can see domain name of 2, PA19, and so forth. And so there's also the tutorial section here. So it teaches you how to add how to use done for you authority and adding domain names to your done for you store, as you can see. And there's also the support. You can just click in here and you get to the support and the bonuses page. So you can see the bonuses that were available on the sales page. You can see this is already unlocked in your account, and the done for you authority agency rights already unlocked. And this I can just click here to download, and this also I can click here to download. And the last bonus, all I have to do is just click here to register. And lastly, the last feature is this. Once I click on my products, I'll be taken to this site, and I can get to have some of Joshua's products at a discount. So that's all about done for you authority. So here is a funnel breakdown of done for you authority. So the first, you can see it has 1 front end and 4 one-time offers. So the first is the done for you authority main software, and the OTO1 is a done for you authority subscription, and the done for you authority brander, which is the OTO2, is for anyone who wants to customize their portfolio pages with logos and whatever. And OTO3, that is a done for you authority booster. Here you can get to add Ahrefs and SEMrush data for the domain names you are interested in, so for more informed decision. And lastly, you have the Simplify 2.0 which is the last OTO. So here you can easily turn your domain into niche websites that run 99% ads free. So the pros and cons of this software. Well, I'll say for one, there's zero work needed on your part. The bot finds, analyzes, and delivers high-value domain names to you, and there's no experience needed. And 99% of the domain names you are going to find will not be listed on any other platforms, and you only find real authority domains available. And for the cons, it's credit based, which means you have to purchase credits to access some features, and you might also need an upgrade to access some features like Hrefs and SEMrush data. But in conclusion, I'll say the Done for You Authority delivers. If you're looking for high value domain names to resell, build a website on, or create private blog networks for SEO, you should get Done for You Authority. So lastly, my custom bonuses. So you have the opportunity to get Done for You Authority plus the vendor bonuses and my exclusive bonuses in just 2 easy steps. All you have to do is just click on the link below this video and your bonuses will be delivered to you automatically when you order Done for You Authority. So the first bonus is Domain Investing 101. All you need to know about buying, selling domain names. And 2 is the Lazy Catch Manifesto. 3rd, Rank and Rent, how to create digital assets and rent them out for recurring income every month. And the 4th is how to dominate Instagram marketing. 5, how to create easy content sites and rank for them easily on Google and monetize them to make money. And 5, how to rake an easy 100K. Might sound outrageous, but you might want to learn a few of these businesses. And bonus 7, auto reach profit plugin that lets you turn your Facebook account into a lead generation tool. Then 100 sites that will pay you to write for them. It's an updated list. Viral blog machine, how to take your blog from 0 to 100 in just 5 weeks. And free traffic jackpots. This guide teaches you all you need to know about getting traffic from unimaginable traffic sources. And this is huge. 100 PLR books with master resale rights. So you can either give them away to build your list, or you can resell them to make more money. And 12, Buyer Traffic Masterclass. 13, 10 minutes buyer traffic, which is the last bonus on this list. So remember, all you have to do is just click on the link below this video, make a purchase for Done for You Authority, and all the bonuses will be delivered to you, including the vendor bonuses.